It was a bright and breezy morning in Brisbane, where the gum trees whispered with excitement and kookaburras laughed in the distance. Anita zipped up her backpack and checked her list twice. Rope? Check. Snacks? Check. Water bottles? Double check. Brian jogged over holding a bundle of pool noodles. Let's build the biggest, most awesome raft Brisbane has ever seen. Theophilus arrived last, balancing a pirate hat on his head and dragging along a cart full of empty soda bottles. Aye aye, mateys. Today we sail like explorers of the 7 suburbs. The trio marched down to the sparkling Brisbane River, where the water flowed gently and dragonflies danced in the sun. They found a quiet spot with soft grass and shady trees and immediately got to work. Let's tie the wood like this, Anita said, laying down planks side by side. No, like this, Theophilus argued, stacking them like building blocks. I think it's fine as long as it floats, Brian shrugged, munching on an apple. They built and tied and stacked and scrambled. There were ropes going in zigzags, bottles tied in strange places, and even a pool noodle sword stuck in the middle just for fun. After an hour of hard work, and 3 snack breaks, they stood back and admired their creation. They gave it a mighty push into the river. Splash! Squeak! Crack! The raft bobbled for a second, then wobbled sideways, tipped over, and fell apart like a soggy sandwich. Bottles floated downstream. Theophilus's pirate hat sank. Anita's list turned to mush. Everyone stood on the riverbank in silence. Well, that didn't go well, said Brian. I told you we should have balanced the bottles better, muttered Anita. You were all rushing, Theophilus said, crossing his arms. Just then, the water began to glow. At first, it looked like sunlight, but then the colors grew brighter: red, orange, gold, green, blue, indigo, violet. A shape swirled beneath the surface. Then, with a graceful leap, a magical creature burst from the water. She had a tail that shimmered like gemstones, fins that rippled like silk, and scales that glowed in every color of the rainbow. Whoa, the kids gasped together. The creature smiled warmly. Hello, adventurers. I'm Mira, the rainbow mermaid fish. I saw your raft and thought you might need a little help. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.